In today's digital world, documents are vital for communication and information sharing. Portable document format, PDF, files are widely used due to their compatibility across different platforms and their ability to retain formatting and layout. However, there are instances when converting a PDF file to a Word document becomes necessary for editing or collaboration purposes. In this article, we will explore the technology of converting PDF files to Word using Python, and delve into the techniques provided by NPHD Technology Channel to simplify this process. Understanding the PDF and Word formats. To appreciate the significance of PDF to Word conversion, it's essential to comprehend the characteristics and functionalities of both formats. Portable document format, PDF. PDF is a file format developed by Adobe Systems that preserves a document's layout, fonts, images, and other elements across various devices and platforms. PDF files are typically read-only and can be viewed using popular applications such as Adobe Acrobat Reader, making them ideal for sharing documents while maintaining their original appearance. Word document format, doc/docx. Word documents, commonly saved as doc or docx files, are created using Microsoft Word or other word processing software. Word files are editable and offer a wide range of features for formatting, styling, and collaborative work. Converting a PDF to Word enables users to modify the content, apply formatting changes, or extract specific information for further analysis. The power of Python for PDF to Word conversion. Python is a versatile and popular programming language known for its simplicity, readability, and vast array of libraries and frameworks. The following are some key Python libraries used in PDF to Word conversion. PyPDF2. PyPDF2 is a Python library that allows reading, manipulating, and extracting data from PDF files. It provides functions to access text, metadata, images, and other elements present in a PDF file, making it suitable for extracting content to be converted into a Word document. Python docx. The Python docx library is designed to create and modify Microsoft Word documents using Python. It provides an intuitive API to manipulate text, apply formatting, insert images, and handle tables, allowing us to convert extracted PDF content into a fully editable Word document. PDF2 docx. The PDF2 docx library combines the functionalities of PyPDF2 and Python docx, providing a straightforward way to convert PDF files to Word documents. It streamlines the conversion process by extracting text from PDF using PyPDF2 and utilizing Python docx to generate a docx file with preserved formatting. NPHD Technology Channel's approach to PDF to Word conversion. NPHD Technology Channel offers a comprehensive solution for PDF to Word conversion using Python. Their approach follows these steps. Step 1. Installing the required libraries. To begin, install the necessary libraries: PyPDF2, Python docx, and PDF2 docx. These can be installed using the pip package manager, ensuring that all dependencies are satisfied. Step 2. Extracting text from PDF. Utilize PyPDF2 to extract the text from the PDF file. The library provides methods to navigate through pages, extract text content, and handle special cases like encrypted or scanned PDF. Step 3. Converting extracted text to Word format. Once the text has been extracted, use Python docx to create a new Word document and insert the extracted text into it. You can apply formatting, insert images, create tables, and manipulate the content as desired. Step 4. Saving the Word document. Finally, save the generated Word document in the desired location. The resulting docx file will be editable and retain the original formatting, providing a seamless conversion from PDF to Word. Enhancements and further considerations. While NPHD Technology Channel's approach provides a solid foundation for PDF to Word conversion using Python, there are several enhancements and considerations to take into account. Handling complex formatting. PDF files often contain complex formatting, such as tables, footnotes, headers, and footers. It's essential to consider these elements during the conversion process. Advanced techniques, like using regular expressions or implementing machine learning algorithms, can be explored to improve the accuracy of retaining complex formatting in the Word document. Dealing with images and graphics. PDF files may include images, diagrams, and other graphical elements. Converting these elements to the Word format requires additional processing. Libraries such as PyMu-PDF and Python docx can be combined to handle image extraction and insertion in the resulting Word document. Preserving hyperlinks and metadata. PDF documents often contain hyperlinks, bookmarks, and metadata that enhance their usability. When converting to Word, preserving these elements becomes crucial. Extending the conversion process to include hyperlink extraction and metadata transfer can provide a more comprehensive solution. Batch processing and automation. Consider scenarios where multiple PDF files need to be converted to Word. Implementing batch processing and automation can significantly enhance productivity. By iterating over a folder of PDF files and applying the conversion process to each one, users can streamline the conversion of large document collections. Conclusion. Converting PDF files to Word format using Python is a valuable technology that simplifies document editing and collaboration. Python libraries such as PyPDFquo, Python docx, and PDF2docx provide powerful functionalities for extracting text from PDF and generating editable Word documents. NPHD Technology Channel offers a practical approach to PDF to Word conversion, utilizing these libraries to streamline the process. However, it's important to consider additional factors such as complex formatting, images, hyperlinks, and batch processing to enhance the overall conversion experience. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect further advancements in PDF to Word conversion methods. The Python ecosystem and its vibrant community provide ample opportunities to explore new techniques and develop more robust solutions. By harnessing the power of Python and leveraging the expertise of NPHD Technology Channel, users can unlock the potential of PDF to Word conversion and revolutionize their document management workflows.
Thank you for watching the video on the VNPT Technology Channel. We appreciate your time and interest in our content. If you have any further questions or would like to explore more about our technology solutions, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for more informative and exciting videos on our channel. Thank you once again for your support.